How to use Elementor plugin on WordPress. So hello guys, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in this guide video, I'm going to giving you a brief description about what the Elementor plugin really is, what it does, and how do you use it to design pages. So make sure to stick with me till the end. If you don't know what Elementor is, then Elementor is a website builder to integrate it into a WordPress website, and then you can edit all of those pages rather than using the default WordPress website builder. You can use Elementor because it is much more feature rich. Now Elementor is mainly used to design pages, right? Now, aside from WooCommerce and adding all this functionality, just to create more pages and add more functions to your website, Elementor plugin is used. If you have not yet installed it, go to the plugin section over here and then make sure to install the Elementor plugin. In my case, I've already done so. So I'll show you how it's done. I'll just go to my pages and I'll go to all pages, right? So basically, if I want to edit a page, all I had to do was just click on the edit button in this case, and you can see I'll select edit. But if I want to actually edit with Elementor, I have to just hover it. I have to select the option called edit with Elementor, select it, and then select edit with Elementor and whatever. So I'll just select edit with Elementor in this case. Once I do that, I'll have much more options rather than using the default WordPress builder, right? So on the Elementor, we can drag widgets, we can add some text, headings, a custom image, a custom video if I want to, and I can even go ahead and add a link to that video. After I do that, I'll be able to do multiple many things, and then I'll just go ahead and embed it. And then once I do that, I can just publish the post, or publish the page, or I can choose to keep it as a draft. And you can see my post is basically live. If I go ahead and show you the page, basically you can see this is the page I just created with Elementor. Now it's much more functionality and much more intuitive, and then much more easier to use than the default WordPress website builder. And that's basically it as to how you can use Elementor. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.